So this is a final assessment piece, the culmination of all of my experimentation for this semester. I started expressing through sculpture when I was stressed, creating like tongues. Like wanting to play with the incongruous nature of things and combining things that don't have a relationship. And so even this one, I've got toenails and fingernails from me and my girlfriend. And this one, you know, like earphones, and I just want to kind of take a sculpture and destroy its kind of privilege to converse through the materials and vocabulary of dreams so that the dreamer, the artist or audience, have the decision to engage in any symbols or any meanings that they get to experience. So I think I owe it most to like the lecturers for providing me with the space and support to really engage in how passionate I want to convey these ideas, no matter how grandiose they might be. For me, this is the tip, like of the iceberg. Like I've finally got it. You know, I've got my mojo.